So guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type Lenovo ThinkPad P16v. So pcsupport.lenovo.com, this is officially website, so you can download driver. So use this one only guys. Go to this tab. If you guys showing here different generations, different model number here, so no worry about that. You can enter the your serial number of your motherboard and then hit the enter. Okay, and then show this. And there are two type to install the driver and software. So first is automatic and second manual. In automatic, when you click to scan now, it will scan your system to require driver to fulfill. Okay, and second, this is manual. So you can install the separate part of the separate driver, so you can see audio, BIOS, Bluetooth and fingerprint like that all. Okay, then guys, Bluetooth driver, click to download. After download, automatically will start and show here the setup. See, and click to open. Then yes, next, I accept, next, install, next, then click to install Bluetooth driver. Next, I will install, then click to OK and then finish it. Then restart your system.